Hello guys, and welcome back to another video, and we're talking about AMC, our trade recap. A very nice 100% AMC alerted on all of the premium discords, and then again I did make the whole video, so make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel and make sure to turn notifications on because I am streaming. I streamed today, I streamed yesterday, and I might stream tomorrow, so make sure to subscribe with notification bell on so you guys do not miss the stream, because again, during the stream I did sell out of my AMC position and I want to cover that in this video. Now again, why did we play AMC? Because, well, we had a nice chart. Okay, again, it's all psychology, technical analysis, and specifically this was the symmetrical triangle play. So as guys can see, we did play AMC before ascending triangle, and then we had another ascending triangle which we did not play because he did not break out, and then we had a cup and handle. Now looking at this play, okay, if I actually go into replay, okay, this is what we saw when, okay, I made the video. Okay, again, I made a whole video on that. You can watch that video on exactly why I entered. But again, I was looking at a break above 38 and my mental price target was 40 with this wick right over here. Now, if we look at, okay, the 1 hour right over here, as you guys can see, we have this very, very nice resistance right over here. So this, okay, was the major resistance that I was looking to break. So we had the 38 and then we had basically this video. Now at open I was looking at a break above that, and then my stop loss was this. Okay, my stop loss was right over here, because again then this would be kind of like a bear flag type situation. So my stop loss right over here, and then my first price target would be like right over here. This is why I've played it. And then my potential price target was 40, which we did hit. And again, I discussed all of this on the video. That is why you have to watch all of these videos. So again, this was our price target, potential price target right over here. And again, once we did break out right over here, which was very nice. Now let's remove all of this right over here, because when I was streaming I did close out of my position, because again 40 is just a mental number and our contracts did hit 100%. Another thing I want to talk about is this was a symmetrical triangle, so this was a neutral or bearish, whichever side it does break out. Now for example, we grabbed calls right over here because it broke out of this area. Our stop loss would be over here, but I did keep this bear flag just for safety reasons. And if we were to play puts, okay, because again this was a symmetrical triangle right over here, and then we would to play puts right over here, our price target would have been this, and then stop loss right over here. So overall this was a very simple play, alerted on all of these discords on the daily time frame. Now for AMC, I'm potentially watching this downtrend breakout. I'm just watching it right now, and potentially it is forming another symmetrical triangle right over here. So overall, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Very simple video, 100% gainer. Again, the reasons I make this video is so that you guys can do your own due diligence and you guys can make your own plays and understand my perspective on my stocks, and then you yourself can make gains. So overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're almost at 3,000 subscribers, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you guys do have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thank you.